Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to change your Twitch name. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to change your name into Twitch, just simply open your Twitch application at very first and tap to your profile picture. Then after that, go to this account settings, or you can directly choose this my channel option. And after that, just simply tap to this edit profile option, and then you can see this display name option into here. Just simply tap into display name, and then you can erase this name and create a new name. Then tap to this save button into the top right corner. And after doing that, if your Twitch profile doesn't show any other errors, your name will successfully be changed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.